30th of November 2021. This is the 334th day of the year. There are only 31 days left to complete this year. Welcome to PYP Assembly 5. I am Rudra from PYP 5 and today I'll be taking you through the Gurukul Bulletin for the month of November. Thought for the day. To see an opportunity, we must be open to all thoughts. By Catherine Pulsifer. The attribute of the learner profile for this month was open-minded. We are IB students who are active participants in a wide range of aspects of our life, as well as focusing on our academic, social, physical, intellectual, mental, and spiritual development. We participated in asynchronous activities under the banner I Am Open-Minded over all the weekends in November. Child's right. When the lives and the rights of children are at stake, there must be no silent witnesses. The purpose of celebrating Children's Day is not just to enjoy and have fun, but also to sensitize the young minds to promote and stand up for the rights of their not-so-fortunate counterparts. Students will focus on being receptive, unbiased, tolerant, liberal, accepting, and respectful. Thanksgiving. Wishing everyone the gift of faith and the blessing of hope this Thanksgiving, which is celebrated on 25th of November. To make this celebration more joyful, the students of PYP 1 had made a short video signifying Thanksgiving Day. On this day, we gather to be thankful for what we have, for the family we love, the friends we cherish, and for the blessings that will come. Happy Thanksgiving! May your blessings be multiplied this year and throughout all your life. Significance of the day. Giving Tuesday 2021. Everyone has something to give, and every act of generosity counts. On November 30th, 2021, we'll unite for a worldwide celebration of generosity. Giving Tuesday is an opportunity for people around the world to come together through generosity in all its forms, by sharing acts of kindness and giving their voice, time, money, goods, and advocacy to support communities and causes. Gurukul News. On 15th November 2021, PYP students celebrated Children's Day with full enthusiasm. Teachers had planned exciting activities for them. World Hello Day was celebrated on November 21st. It is celebrated by 180 countries to illustrate the importance of personal communication for preserving peace. In our efforts to spread awareness on the 17 UN SDGs, PYP organized Inter-House Poetry Recitation event on 29th November 2021. The results will be announced in the next PYP Assembly. Health tips. Put limits on the time spent using media, which includes TV, social media, and video games. Media should not take the place of getting enough sleep and being active. Here are 5 tips to promote our eye health. Eat an eye-healthy diet. Nutrition is an excellent way to promote children's eye health and set kids up for healthy habits to last a lifetime. Get adequate sleep. Get outside. Limit screen time. Go for regular eye checkups. Appreciations. Thank you, Arnav from PYP2 for the lovely voiceover for Children's Day celebration. Kali from PYP5 for the voiceover presentation on World Hello Day. Students of PYP1 for making a short video signifying Thanksgiving Day. Birthdays. Here comes the best part of the assembly. Birthday celebrations. Students who celebrated their birthday in November are Rudra from grade 1, Radhya from grade 2, Ujasvi from grade 3 Ravi, Olivia from grade 4, me from grade 5. Motivations. Every house member must collect points for good participation, academic achievements, regular attendance, work submissions, and overall behavior. Scores from 1st November to 30th November are Agni 1378, Jal 1081, Prithvi 1428, Vayu 1163. On the 30th of November, the winning house will be declared. This announcement I, Rudra from PYP 5 would like to sign off. Until PYP Assembly 6, it's adios from PYP. Thank you for watching.